Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to block friends on BeReal app. Now to block a friend on BeReal app, first you have to add a friend. So go to the left upper corner, make sure to add a friend, or if you have a friend, go to my friends. And as you can see here, you can click on a friend here, and then as you can see, you will see his profile, and then you can go to three dots in the upper right corner. And then what you can do is you can either remove friendship. This will just remove your friendship, so you won't be able to see their BeReal, and they won't be able to see your BeReal. Or you can just click block th97's post right here, as you can see, or your friend's post, and that will block their post, so you won't be able to see their posts and they won't be able to see your posts as well. Now either way, you can do this with remove friendship or block. It's your choice, but blocking is usually how to block the correct way on BeReal app. So that's pretty much how to do it. Now if you have any questions regarding anything else, or if you want to learn more about BeReal app, we are posting 5 different tutorials every single day about BeReal, so subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching.